Hello viewers, this is a General Electric 6000 BTU window air conditioner that does not work correctly. Now here it is. The problem with it is I got it about a year ago, I would say, and it was an incredible price, $150. And I got this from a store that sells factory reconditioned stuff. And it only has a 30-year warranty, or a 30-day warranty, excuse me. 30-day warranty. And you know, the problem with it is when I plug it in and turn it on, it turns off in 5 seconds. So, when I click the button, turn the unit on, turns off in 5 seconds. Now, I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going to move it over there where the outlet is and show you what it does. Okay, so what it does is I'm going to plug it in and show you what it does real quick. I do not have the remote currently. Alright, let's go ahead and plug it in. Watch. See? That's your problem. It's right in the control panel. Right there. To the right. But I'm going to shut it off. Reset the button. Watch. Watch. My hands are right here. Watch. And then shows that. I'll do it again. Turn it off. Reset it, watch. Starts blanking. Not like that. That's just the way the camera's picking up. But it's like that, but silent. It just went off. What I found interesting is it says made in USA. Which is very hard to believe. It's a... Gotta find a motor in there. Air conditioned motor. There's a little label right there saying risk of fire explosion. Flammable refrigerant used to repair or only by trained service professional. Do not puncture refrigerant tubes. Yeah, makes sense. Why? But I'm going to go ahead and show you what it does now. Check this out. So, watch. If you reset it, alright, ready? Turn it on. Now, if I keep clicking buttons, see what I'm doing? I'm clicking buttons. It's running fine. Everything works. High fan. You just have to keep, see, I just stopped for a minute, so it went off. But if you sit there and keep pressing buttons, it seems to do its job. But I was going to take this back. Only has, and the side panels are in my garage. They're not out here right now. But it's fairly new. And when I bought it out of the box, took it out of the box, this filter looked like somebody just dumped dust straight on it. So somebody previously owned this and had a problem with it. So they reconditioned it and they put it back in the store. But that's about it. And yes, I do have to say General Electric is a piece of junk. The brand, I'll show you again. There you go. Wonderful. So when you're suffering inside your house or garage on a 90-degree day, which is 90 degrees, it's about 80, 90 degrees out right now. This is very pitiful. It's baffling to me that they would sell a piece of junk like this. So whenever somebody wants to go use it, turn it on. It makes noises. It's not working correctly. And you got the ridiculous GFCI or GFI plug-in with square drive screws, which is, there's no point in this reset button, because when you unplug the unit, you're resetting it. But that's my piece of junk. General Electric 6000 BTU window air conditioner. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.